Hello, today we're going to explore the top 5 charming types of Corgis. Pembrokes are known for their short legs and big ears. These little ones are always lively and lovable. Cardigans have longer legs and pointed ears. They are intelligent and have an independent personality. Blue Corgis are popular for their unique color and charm. They are especially loved for their distinct appearance. Tricolor Corgis are famous for their combination of black, brown, and white. This blend is truly captivating. Liberty Corgis are adored for their unique looks and sweet personalities. They have captured the hearts of many. Which Corgi is your favorite? Don't forget to subscribe and like.